Alright guys, for today I'll teach you how to connect your DSLR or camera like this one, G7X Canon, connected to your 32 inches TV and to your laptop or computer like this one. So this one is a recording to myself and projecting to the TV and to your laptop. So what's the benefit of connecting like this one? Because TV has a big screen, so you can do something like if you're streaming or live or recording, so you can watch to your TV and in a big screen, you know. Then in a laptop there's the streaming or recording for your live. So we connect this via adapters and a V8 for the sounds. So we will check for the sounds. Hello. So as you can see in the streaming or live, the mic audio is moving. Hello, mic test, mic test. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, mic test, mic test. So this is a very simple setup, so you can record and stream. So watch the video for how to set up this like this one, so maybe it can help. Alright guys, what are the things or wires that we are needed? So we are needing an HDMI video capture, this one. So the purpose of it is to connect it to your laptop or computer via USB from a source of HDMI like this one. Then we will needing a dual split HDMI adapter like this one, has a dual output for TV and for the laptop or computer. So this one has a male adapter for the source. So the other one you will be needing is an adapter, an HDMI adapter, female to female. So I will explain it why we are needing it, this one. And the other one is an HDMI, this one wire, mini HDMI to HDMI cable. So this one is, if you bought a DSLR or your camera, so this one has already wire in the camera that you buy, so it's free. But if you don't have, you can buy it for only I think for only $2, this one. So it's very cheap. This one is, I bought it for only $4, and this one is for only $2, the adapter one. So this wiring is very cheap, okay? $4, $2, and this one is, I think I bought it for only $3 or $4. So I bought it for in our country in Shopee or Lazada. Maybe in your country you can buy it in Alibaba or Amazon. So you'll be needing an HDMI like this one, both HDMI, regular HDMI I think, or HDMI that is for the TV, for the TV or for any laptop for monitor. So the difference for the small HDMI, this one, and the big HDMI. So this one is connected to your DSLR or your camera. Okay, so you'll be needing two of this, like this one, to connect to your TV. So like this one. Okay, so I already connect it to my TV at the back of your TV. So if you want to see or to look how it is connected, look at back of your TV. It is very easy. Look just for a female HDMI input like this one in the back of your TV, and you connect your HDMI. Okay, so after connecting it to your TV, we will connect your DSLR like this one, a mini HDMI DSLR HDMI. Connect it to your DSLR or camera, and this one will be the output, a big HDMI. So connect it into your dual split HDMI adapter like this one, but it will be had a problem because it both had male HDMI the same. So you'll be needing a female HDMI like adapter like this one, so both, so that it will be connected. Okay, so from your DSLR, connect it, then from here your dual split HDMI adapter, connect. It will be look like this. After that, connect your HDMI from your TV, from both either vice versa, in any HDMI port you can connect. Okay, then the other one will be the HDMI wiring for your laptop or your computer. Okay, just connect it for the dual split. Connect it to your video capture adapter like this one. Okay, after connecting it, you can connect this one to the computer or laptop. I have an old laptop. It's an i3 2nd gen. So as long it can play OBS software or any software that is capable of recording or streaming, it's okay. So after connecting to the laptop, it will be look like this. From your DSLR to the wire, the adapter, then to the dual adapter connector or dual split HDMI adapter. Okay, this one is for the laptop, and the other HDMI to the TV. It will be look like this. Okay, so it's so easy to connect. So if you're doing something like this one, so you'll be only watching on the TV, and the recording will be on the laptop. Okay, so as I move it, the monitor will have the same output. As you can see. Okay, and for the V8, if you're using a V8, V8 sound card like this one. So I have a blog how to connect this one. Okay. So from here, you'll be needing an auxiliary. From the speaker, you'll connect an auxiliary. A 3.5 mm auxiliary will be needed. Okay, like this one. And connect it in your mic on your laptop or your computer. Okay, and this one is the headset, and the other one will be the mic. So from that connection, connect your V8 to the speaker and auxiliary port like this. And if you don't have an auxiliary, you can connect it via your charger. But if your charger is not working, you'll be needing an auxiliary, like the same, like this. And you'll be needing a V8, a mic. So I'm using a B8 800, an auxiliary output. So from there, here in the condenser mic, you'll connect it. Okay. So we'll try to on the V8 and test. Hello, mic test. Hello, hello. Hello, mic test. 1, 2, 3. Mic test. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the mic is functioning. Okay, and the video is functioning. So if there's a comment or suggestions, as you can see, I'm open for suggestions for the wiring. But for me, this is the best wiring I have right now because it's cheap and I can connect all my wirings and have the same function from TV to laptop. So if you have any suggestions, just comment below. And sorry for the English, so I hope you can understand. And okay, please like and subscribe. Hope I can do more vlog. And for the suggestions, maybe we can talk about it and do more upgrades for the future's vlog. So please like and subscribe, and thank you so much. Okay, chill.